Good afternoon everyone. Magandang gabi na dito sa New Zealand. Time now is 6:44 PM. So mayroon mangyayaring solar eclipse. Lunar ata ito o solar eclipse. So hindi ko lang alam kung solar eclipse ba o lunar eclipse. Pero mayroong magaganap. Ito na naman ay paglamon ng liwanag sa dilim. So delikado ito. Gaya ng nangyari noong September 21, 2025. So laganap ang mga lindol, pagputok ng mga bulkan, sunog, bagyo, baha. So another. So kung gaano kalupit ang year 2025, mas malupit ang year 2026. So dito sa New Zealand, ito ay napanaginipan ko ang noong Friday the 13th, isang malaking pagbaha. Walang tigil ang ulan. At saka non-stop rain ito. So nangyari talaga. Nangyari pag-start ng masamang panahon. Ito pala ay bugso ng hangin 193 km/h. Ang center nito is North Island. So naapektuhan din dito sa South Island, pero hindi ko na alam sa ibang may part din dito sa Christchurch na binaha. So ngayon ay medyo humupa na yung ulan at saka hangin. Pero kahapon at saka kaninang umaga is patuloy ang ulan mula kagabi. Nag-start ito 14, 15, 16, 17. So 3 days lang nga yung sabi ko, pero lumampas pa, naging 4 days. Yan ang nakita ko sa aking panaginip. Malakas ang ulan, walang tigil, tapos lumalakad ako nung nanaginip ako. Dito ako natulog sa aking kotse. So nakita ko talaga, sabi ko, kasi hindi ko naman nakalain na New Zealand ang tatamaan ng bad weather. Kasi during nung nanaginip ako ay summer. Mainit siya, tapos bigla lang sumama ang panahon. So totoo ang aking panaginip. Ngayon ito naman, prepared tayo sa, hindi ko lang sure kung lunar eclipse ba ito or solar eclipse. So bukas ito magaganap. Gaya nung nangyari September 21, sabi nila solar eclipse September 21. So 22 dito na sila yan dito sa New Zealand, pero ang ano nito ay February 17. Pero ngayon ay February 17, Chinese New Year. So kung maging maganda ang panahon, makikita ito bukas. So prepared tayo. Kapag ganyan, kasi may dilim, nilamon ng ang liwanag, nilamon ng dilim, delikado yan. Baha, lindol, sunog, masamang panahon, at saka pagputok ng mga bulkan. Ito ay ring of fire. So lumalaganap ngayon ang mga lindol kahit saan part ng buong mundo. So prepared tayo. Wag tayong sabihin natin na ay hindi totoo yan, hindi mangyayari yan. Ang sabi naman ng iba ay lagi ko daw pinapangunahan ang Panginoon. So basta ganyan yan, nangyari kasi yan 2011. Nagkaroon ng solar eclipse. Nilamon ng ang araw ay nilamon ng dilim. So kunti na lang ang liwanag nasa taas. So sabi ko sa mga kasama ko, mayroong magaganap na malaking baha. May lindol kasama, itong lindol at saka malaking baha or either tsunami. So nagkatotoo. Nangyari sa Japan, earthquake. Maybe 8.9 or 9 intensity 9. So prepared tayo. So hindi natin alam kung saan tatama itong mga kalamidad na ito. Ito ay basta yan talaga ang simbolo, magdilim, kakainin ang liwanag, ay sigurado baha yan, sunog, tsaka pagputok ng mga bulkan, at saka lindol. Basta dilim, lindol, masamang panahon, bagyo, cyclone or hurricane or earthquake, flooding or tsunami. If the earthquake will strike in the ocean, they have a tsunami coming. So prepared tayo. So may nakita kasi ako, I have something that I seen it. So prepared lang. Huwag magtiwala. Always pray in God and believe in God and repent in God. So if 2025 is a danger years, a lot of many earthquakes, volcano eruption, flooding, and super typhoon, cyclone, especially in the Philippines. So last year, Philippines, a lot of earthquake. Entire Philippines, they shaken, earthquake, small earthquake, but not yet big. The highest earthquake is 6.9 in Cebu and around Visayas area. And then they have another strong earthquake, Davao Oriental, Manay, Davao Oriental, 7.6. Then after that, flooding and super typhoon in Cebu again, Visayas. So this solar eclipse, or I will look up solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. So prepared, because this is not I always seen since 2011 Japan earthquake. The sun covered by the black. It becomes dark color, the sun. That is why I told my mate they have a very strong earthquake coming and flooding or tsunami. So it's really happened. So now, February 17, the NASA, they post they have a solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. I don't know. But prepared, because this phenomenon, they have a big ring of fire. So many places will feel the strong earthquake, flooding, tsunami, and I don't know what place the earthquake will strike again. Year 2026. So what is the month now? It's February. So by January, they start. And also the other places, especially Indonesia and China, they getting, the land is melting, and then they have a landslide happened, even they don't have a earthquake strike, but still going on because many thousand years or many years, even the place is more concrete, but especially always rain, always muddy, always the land will be melting. That is why they have a sinkhole, they have a landslide, even they don't have a earthquake coming. Prepared. This is a risk, this is a danger. especially they have phenomenon like this, solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. The sun will becomes dark, and then the moon they becomes dark. So prepared for the earthquake, volcano eruption, tsunami, flooding, and bad weather. So because the around of the, or either this is the moon or sun. So if the light is on the perimeter of the sun, and then and the moon, and then in the center is dark, this is worldwide, can feel earthquake, tsunami, flooding, and volcano eruption. So prepared. I don't want all the people to be panic, or maybe I don't want to be all the people will be afraid, but believe in God and repent in God and come back and believe in God. That's most important. Always pray, prepared. So if this phenomenon can seen in the clouds, or either sun or moon, it becomes dark, they have another tragedy coming: earthquake, volcano eruption, flooding or tsunami, or bad weather. This is the ring of fire around the world. Can feel very strong earthquake. So even in the ocean or over the land. So this phenomenon is will seen tomorrow, or I don't know how. So here in New Zealand, we cannot see here, if because now is a very cloudy. We have a little rain, but the wind is they back to normal. So tomorrow will be experienced just like before September 21 solar eclipse, but they happen in New Zealand. I seen in here in New Zealand September 22. So in Philippines they start since September 21. They start the super typhoon or cyclone or hurricane are marching, flooding are marching, fire are marching, and then earthquake are marching. Entire Philippines, a lot of tragedy. Not only in the Philippines, this phenomenon 2026 around the world. Many places they have landslide will be coming, will be happen. So especially perimeter around the ocean, beside of the perimeter in the ocean, be careful. If the earthquake will strike in the ocean, please evacuate immediately or leave immediately. So what we're gonna do is prepared food, water, or documents, very important, or money or whatsoever. So always intact in one bag, just in case the earthquake will strike. We must leave immediately, especially on especially your house is near on beside of the perimeter of the ocean. Leave immediately. Never mind the house, never mind the property. The most important, we must be safe, especially individual. your son, daughter, or mother, father, or brother and sister, you must leave immediately. If they have a very strong earthquake coming in the ocean, you must leave immediately. Don't ignore this, because I seen it that they have this phenomenon will seen the sun and or the moon will become dark. That's a symbol of flooding, earthquake, fire, bad weather, or like hurricane, bagyo in Philippines, like that, or volcano eruption, and more. So prepared. So I don't want all the people will be panic, but it's really true will be happen. Especially we can see in the sky of the behavior of the sun and the moon. So prepared always. Don't ignore this, because like last year 2025, they have dark moon, August, I think August 2025, and then September 7 blood moon, and then after that September 21 they have solar eclipse. So a lot of places, earthquake, hurricane, or super typhoon, or cyclone, and flooding. This is a flooding. More flooding will be happen. It's not only on the rain or bad weather, but sometimes they will be happen if the earthquake will strike in the ocean. They have a tsunami coming. So always vigilant and always observe the surrounding, especially the birds, or especially the animals, always shouting, or always busy, or whatsoever. The behavior of we can see the, especially the first we can detect is the behavior of the birds. So prepared. So much better to all the people will be safe. Don't ignore my message, because this is a danger. Year 2026, this is a February, January, February. So more tragedy, more earthquake, more flooding, more fire, more super typhoon, hurricane, or cyclone. In Philippines, they call bagyo. So prepared, especially the most important, your food intact in one bag. Or if you park your car, don't park like you must reverse, so that they have tsunami coming, or like that, super typhoon or whatsoever, you can go immediately. If you are parking front on your house, you're going reverse. So much better to park like this. You front in the road, and then emergency, you can go immediately. So prepared. I don't want all the people will be panic or will be afraid, but I tell you this to prepare, so that I want all the people will be safe, all will be saved, our life. Never mind our property, house, or whatsoever. we must leave immediately if something happen in your place, like very strong earthquake, or especially your house is near in the ocean. Because if the earthquake was strike like Japan happened before 2011, so a lot of people died. So 20,000 more than. So Japan, they prepared for the very strong earthquake, but they surprised in the ocean. That's what happened in Japan before. Because some people inside in the house sleeping, or some people inside of the building are working or busy of working. The earthquake strike is very strong. Remember, if the earthquake 7.9 or 8, 9 intensity or 10, we must leave immediately because they have a tsunami coming right away. So if the earthquake like 5, 6 or lower 7, no tsunami. So prepared. So always be vigilant and always observe the surrounding, especially the sun phenomenon and then the moon phenomenon will become dark, and then the the moon will become dark, or the sun will become dark. They have a strong earthquake coming and flooding. That usually I observed since a long time ago, 2011, until now. So some people they seen the phenomenon, always looking the moon, always looking the sun. It become dark because of solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. They make it happy, but they don't know what is the risk or danger of this phenomenon coming. So that's why be prepared. Like Friday the 13th, I seen in my dreams they have a non-stop rain coming and bad weather, and then flooding, landslide. But it's really happened. February, they start February 14, 15, 16, 17. That is why I post this in advance, because I want, if somebody listen this video, oh, another prediction or another, it's not, I'm not Nostradamus, I'm not Bagaganga, I'm not Rudy Baldwin, I'm not Ryo Tachuki, the Japanese prediction like that. And then I'm not Indy Perez, the African, the black guy. So sometimes only I seen and I feel that they have a strategy coming, or I seen it and I can feel it. So always prepared, because year 2026, this is the year of the tears. So even a lot of people, they don't experience the like before the phenomenon, or like the tragedy or whatsoever. But year 2026 is a year of the fire. So fire horse. So year 2026. So prepared. So thank you. Have a nice day. I don't want all the people will be panic or will be afraid, but this is my advice, or this is my may babala or prediction. So prepared. Don't ignore, or if you like, share or it's up to you. I will post this in my Facebook, and then I will post this on my TikTok or in my YouTube. A lot of I have a lot of a video. I make it. I seen in my dreams. I seen in actual, in not in my dreams, but I can feel it. So thank you. Have a nice day. Good night and God bless. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry to all New Zealander here in New Zealand, especially if it really happened, bad weather, flooding. But I seen only this in my dreams. Last Friday the 13th, February 13, 2026. It's really happened. That is why I want all the people will be safe and make it advance. So don't ignore my message. That is why I will help all the people to be safe and to be prepared. Don't getting angry with me because I tell this in my video, but it's really will be true, will be happen. If the phenomenon solar eclipse or lunar eclipse, another tragedy coming, entire world, around the world, not only in one place, but we cannot predict what time, what hour, what time, what day, what month, what year will be happen, but it really will be happen. Like before September 21, 2025, the solar eclipse. You seen the news in the Philippines because I seen Jesus in my dreams. They covered the entire Philippines. That is why I told this in my video. The Philippines will be restored. Flooding, earthquake, volcano eruption, and then they have super typhoon or hurricane, like that. So don't ignore my message. Don't ignore my prediction, because I seen this. If they have a phenomenon like this, the sun will become dark or the moon will become dark, they have a tragedy coming again. Year 2026 will repeatedly, since 2025, they happen. It's really happen. It's really true. Not only tragedy, they have a World War III coming. Will start in the Middle East, Western, and then go over in the Asia. Upward 2026, 27, 28. This they have a war coming, World War III. So prepared. All people, they don't like war. They want peace, they want love. But the other nation is very hot, or they want to fight America, they want to fight whatsoever country. So prepared for the World War III coming. It's, I don't know, will be happen this year, 2026, 27, or 28. But they start 2026, since the war on the Ukraine and then Russia. They start year 2022. Until now, not yet done. always fighting. The Russia country is very big versus Ukraine very small. But they don't defeat, but they don't conquer, or they don't invade Ukraine. The Ukraine getting getting revenge in the Russian country. But now Russian they face of the big problem. Putin they don't admit of his help because they lost already in the war of the Ukraine. But in the name of the Russia is big what you call that one, it's like a China or America, stronger country. But Ukraine is very small country. But Russia they lost the fight. Even China and North Korea helping to Russia. And then they hired the Filipino going work in Russia, but they make it soldier to fight Ukraine. But Ukraine they don't kill the Filipino because they make it hostages, but it's really true. The Filipino they don't, they hard they have a work in Russia, but they make it soldier. So like China and Philippines is small country, China is big country, even Japan is small country, but China will be lost in the war. I really tell you this frankly. Even Philippines is much more powerful missiles or like that or whatsoever machinery to fight China. But honestly, I will tell you, Jesus or God protect Philippines because Philippines is the land of promise of God, not Israel. So that is why Philippines will be great again, and more gasoline or whatsoever crude oil or whatsoever hydrogen or deuterium will be open, and then Philippines will be can save the world. If the World War III will start from Middle East again, Iran versus America and Israel, the oil will be wiped out until time, and then they don't find it. The oil is all will wipe out all over the Middle East, and then the oil will be open in Philippines. They will start it. So thank you, have a nice day. I don't want to make my video or make so long because it's hard to post in Facebook, it's hard to post in TikTok and then my YouTube channel. So thank you, have a nice day. So don't ignore my message. It's really true will be the sun or moon phenomenon, like getting dark again. Prepared for the earthquake, tsunami, volcano eruption, World War III, flooding, tsunami, and super typhoon, hurricane, or cyclone. So prepared. Volcano eruption under the ocean or above the land will be erupt. So this is the year year of the fire horse, or the ring of fire will be shaken, the earthquake, volcano eruption, a lot of tsunami or a lot of flooding like that. So prepared. So thank you, have a nice day, and if you like my video, or if you like, if you don't like, it's okay, no problem. I don't want all the people will be believe me, but prepared. That's what I told before. Last Friday the 13th, I seen in my dreams they have non-stop rain coming and flooding, landslide. But I can't give you the exact details what place this non-stop rain or bad weather coming. But it's really true happen here in New Zealand. North Island, South Island, entire New Zealand, they feel it. They experience what's strong. Even the rain is not very strong, but still going on, non-stop rain. Since February 14, 15, 16, 17. And then even little rain, but more rain, non-stop. And then they have a wind coming. Na 193 km per hour in the center of the direction of the wind. So more damage in North Island. Five places, five big district places happen in North Island. So thank you, have a nice day, God bless you all. I repent in God and believe in God. If you don't believe in God, sorry, because God can save your life. God can save you and your family. If you don't love God, if you don't feel if you don't believe in God, so that is why we must be repent in God and believe in God. I don't have any religion to convince all the people to believe me, but I tell you the really true. So that is why I want all the people will be safe. So sorry for my English is it's not same like you. It's like American guy or Kiwi guy or whatsoever. Your language is English, but me, I'm Filipino. But sometimes I can understand the English, but sometimes if deep English, it's hard for me to explain because I'm not graduated in college, but I'm a college level or university first level. No, I'm not graduated. That is why my English is not straight like your language because I'm a Filipino. So thank you. Have a nice day and God bless you all. Mabuhay. Good night. God bless.